unlocking the power of Epsom salts. 20 surprising uses for health, beauty, and home. Epsom salts, also known as magnesium sulfate, are a versatile ingredient with a wide range of uses beyond the bath. From soothing sore muscles to enhancing plant growth, here are 20 creative ways to harness the power of Epsom salts in your daily life. Relaxing bath soak. Add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salts to warm bath water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes to soothe tired muscles and promote relaxation. Foot soak. Create a revitalizing foot soak by dissolving Epsom salts in warm water and soaking your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Perfect for relieving foot pain and swelling. Muscle pain reliever. Make a paste by mixing Epsom salts with water and apply it to sore muscles for natural pain relief. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Splinter removal. Soak the affected area in warm water mixed with Epsom salts to help draw out splinters and ease discomfort. Hair volumizer. Add a teaspoon of Epsom salts to your regular shampoo to create volume and texture for fuller-looking hair. Facial exfoliator. Mix Epsom salts with your favorite facial cleanser to create a gentle exfoliating scrub. Massage onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Acne treatment. Create a spot treatment by mixing Epsom salts with water to form a paste. Apply directly to blemishes and leave on overnight to help reduce inflammation and redness. Sunburn relief. Dissolve Epsom salts in cool water and soak a clean cloth in the solution. Apply to sunburned skin for instant relief from pain and inflammation. Gardening aid. Sprinkle Epsom salts around the base of plants to promote healthy growth and improve nutrient absorption, especially beneficial for tomatoes, peppers, and roses. Slug repellent. Deter slugs and snails from your garden by sprinkling Epsom salts around vulnerable plants. The rough texture acts as a barrier, keeping these pests at bay. Fertilizer booster. Mix Epsom salts with water and use as a foliar spray or soil drench to provide magnesium and sulfur to plants for improved growth and productivity. Houseplant revitalizer. Add a tablespoon of Epsom salts to a gallon of water and use it to water your indoor plants. This will help to green up leaves and encourage healthy growth. Tile and grout cleaner. Create a paste by mixing Epsom salts with dish soap and apply it to dirty grout lines. Scrub with a brush, then rinse off for sparkling clean tiles. Insect bite relief. Make a compress by dissolving Epsom salts in warm water and soaking a cloth in the solution. Apply to insect bites and stings to reduce itching and swelling. Hand scrub. Mix equal parts Epsom salts and olive oil to create a nourishing hand scrub. Massage onto hands to exfoliate and moisturize, then rinse off with warm water. Fabric softener. Add half a cup of Epsom salts to your laundry detergent to soften clothes and reduce static cling. Bathtub cleaner. Sprinkle Epsom salts onto a damp sponge and use it to scrub away soap scum and grime from the bathtub. Rinse well for a sparkling clean tub. Grease remover. Create a paste using Epsom salts and dish soap, then apply it to greasy pots and pans. Let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing clean with hot water. Fire starter. Soak cotton balls in a solution of Epsom salts and rubbing alcohol, then let them dry. These homemade fire starters are perfect for camping trips or backyard bonfires. Compost accelerator. Add Epsom salts to your compost pile to help break down organic matter more quickly and enrich the soil with essential nutrients. With these 20 creative uses for Epsom salts, you'll be amazed at the versatility of this humble ingredient. Whether you're looking to relax after a long day, enhance your beauty routine, or improve your home and garden, Epsom salts have got you covered. Try out these simple DIY recipes and enjoy the benefits of Epsom salts in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and check out our other videos.